So a few days ago, I shared this beautiful fufu recipe with you. And today, I feel it's incumbent on me to share the recipe for the soup. This delicious soup. Okay, so this soup, it's very simple. It's very, you can see the video is really short because I made it with my all-purpose tomato paste. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can use it for your soup. So let's start with a few ingredients. So I have onions, ginger, and chilies that I've blended. And I'm going to use 2 bowls of my all-purpose tomato base. Okay, so that is it. Okay, and I also have this red pepper paste that I've made. I'm going to share the recipe with you soon. I added that instead of tomato puree or anything else. And I have my spices. So I have wediaba and I have nkitten, then cardamom. Okay, so I'm going to blend the cardamom. So I'm adding the wediaba and the nkitten in my soup now. On my meat, I've added some salt and I'm adding my blended onions, ginger, and then chilies. Okay, so I'm going to stir this and I will let it steam for a bit because we're using the tomato base. The tomato base has got, if you watch it, it's got all the ingredients like that you need. And Abrokyire soup, I'm showing this piece of meat because in Abrokyire you don't get goat with skin. The best you get is the legs. So you buy the legs, you add it to it, then you can get the the skin flavor in your soup. Abrokyire. Anyway, so my meat has been steaming nicely. So here I'm adding my red pepper base. Okay, my red pepper paste that I have made. Okay, which I haven't shared yet. So I'll be sharing with you very soon. Okay, I'm adding it in place of tomato puree because our tomato base, it's really concentrated, it's really beautiful, it's got a lot of spices in it, so we don't want to overcomplicate our soup. So you have to get something to sort of like mild, bring it down a bit. Otherwise it's like okay, so look at how beautiful it already looks really good. And I'm adding my tomato base. Okay, this is how you can use your tomato base for your soup. So it's all purpose. You can use it for soup, you can use it for stew. I'm going to link it for you. Okay, and all that I'm going to do is add water and let it cook, and it's ready. That is it, it's ready, right? That is why it's coming on Simple Sunday, right? And you're very quick. We make this for your fufu, and then Sunday is sorted. What do you think? So yeah, I think I forgot to say welcome back to you all. I really appreciate you always coming to support me. God bless you. And it's a Sunday today, so I hope you go to church. I hope you sing praises to the Almighty God for waking you up today. Thank you for joining me today, and please don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and then put on your notification. And if you are new here, you are also welcome. Warm welcome to my channel. You're going to enjoy it here. Okay, so our soup, as you can see, is ready. I'm tasting like I've tasted. It's like Samuel then I want no more. By the time the soup will be ready, that's not my main, because I keep on tasting it because I wasn't sure of the salt. So it's good for you to always taste your soup or your cooking, so that you are sure that you are doing the right thing. Okay, don't assume, otherwise it doesn't change become and I'm changing him. And yet, but in Chile, I better say because rectifying that is a problem. Okay, so yes, it's ready and I have served it. As I said earlier, I served it with this fufu, and you can check out the recipe for my fufu too. And thank you all for joining me today. May God bless you, and I'll definitely see you in the very next one. Bye.